Hello everyone, my name is Vicky from Dongguan Shengen Metal Company Limited. In today's Shengen question and answer section, I will answer the most frequently asked questions about surface finish. At Shengen, we offer various surface finishing options for metal parts. These include bead blasting, anodizing, electroplating, polishing, planting, powder coating, laser marking, and engraving. Among the polished surface finishes we offer, there are three main types: mechanical polishing, chemical polishing, and electro polishing. Each finish type has its own set of advantages. If you are considering polishing of metal parts, it's essential to factor in aspects like the intended application of the product's overall cost, among others. As for colors, we offer a variety, including gold, copper, silver, green, brown, and black. If you have a cost color in mind, provide us with a painting color and send us a sample. We will make sure to analyze your parts to meet your expectations. Electroplating is another service we provide. It involves covering an object with a metal layer of your choice. This process enhances the appearance and provides benefits like corrosion prevention, improved wear resistance, electronic conductivity, and reflectivity. Some of the materials we offer for electroplating include zinc, chromium, gold, silver, copper, and nickel. We are equipped to provide various marking technologies. These include laser marking, engraving, silk screen printing, and precision machining. Just let us let your requirements, and we will help you select the best fit to your products. Thank you for tuning into this Shengen question and answer section.